gorilla stomping in a zoo. Check the vocals, animals get it right. Boom.
Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. I know it's been a while, but I hope you had a great Christmas and a great New Year. Welcome to 2021. Sorry it's been so long, but we haven't had much content to really show you, and through all the holidays and everything, we've been pretty busy. But with all that said, we're into January 2021 now. Winter is kicking off. We had a blizzard last night, so first thing on the agenda this morning is to go clean all that up, and that's the first thing we're going to do right now. So let's get with it. Once we're all said and done, we'll probably do a little review of how Christmas and New Year's went, and hopefully you all had a good one. Alright, let's do this. It's cold and it's windy out. And I'm going to be using the snowblower, which is going to bring all that powder back up into the air again. And I'm sure it's going to end up in my face. So, a nice balaclava. I usually throw my hat on top of that. And I have my goggles ready. Alright. Zip up, button up, glove up, and we're ready to see what we have to tackle. Time to face the music. I was thinking that it probably wasn't too bad until I looked out here in the front. Not too bad. This drift here is going to take a little while. I'm talking about 3 to 4 feet high. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Alright, so now that we got the rear end of the driveway done, we're going to move on out and do the front. So hopefully this doesn't go too bad. I think this was probably the worst of it, but we'll find out as we go. Alright, so we got our first shear pin casualty of the season. So I'm going to get that replaced now, and as you can tell, it's just freely spinning, separate of the drive. So I'll just rotate this around to a convenient spot, like so, and then I'll get that lined up and a new pin put in place. So if you never saw me do this before, I do have a snowblower refurbishment series where I took all this apart before and redid it. So you can refer to that. Basically, the bolt is going to go from the inside towards the outside. Goes through there. I'll get the nut put on. Alright, so if you got a snowblower and you hit something that makes the auger bring up solid, these shear pins are designed to break first so you don't break something in the drive shaft or anything like that. So they go on relatively loose. Alright, just kind of tighten them up to the silicone nut where it stays on. A little bit tighter. There we go. So just like that, we're going to get back out, finish off the driveway, and I'll meet you guys back in here. Looky what we found on the front step when we came to shovel it. Now there's some wife. Whew. Alright, so that is my snow blowing routine for this driveway with any big snowfall. You know, not too bad, not as bad as I thought we were going to get. I think we were thinking upwards of 50 plus centimeters. I'm not sure exactly what we ended up getting, but it was a good dump of snow either way. So at least that's tied it up for now, and we can go in the house and relax. We'll get some breakfast since I started just at the break of dawn. So anyways, happy belated Christmas and happy belated New Year to you. As I said earlier, hopefully you're all doing well and you enjoyed your holidays as best you could. Given all the situations in the world right now, 2021 has definitely started off interesting. Especially for our American neighbors to the south. So anyways, we haven't been up to much. You know, we had the holidays, we had Christmas. Busy between work and the actual Christmas and New Year's and everything itself. We were pretty steady go, so I never really had a chance to make a video for you guys. But anyways, finally getting around to doing one today. It was a good bit of material out there to capture on video, and as our first big snowfall of the year, so I wanted to capture that as well. We had one other snowstorm, but this was our biggest for sure. It's been a really brown Christmas, green Christmas, whatever you want to call it. This is pretty much what we had this year. But it was a fun Christmas. Thankfully where I live, our social distancing restrictions are pretty light. We can have groups together of a limited number. So we took advantage of that. We had a darts tournament, and I'll show a little bit of footage of that as well.
Yeah, it's for the real one.
No!
76.
Jesus, that one I finished that last one. You all right? Did you get me?
Oh, your fist is getting sore, is it?
Oh,
216 is gone. Done. Oh. Put it away, Glenn.
I might do it.
Great shot, buddy.
yes, sir. See? We cheers.
No No, when you're
Well, shot,
shooting.
Ben. Yeah.
What a shot.
Love it. I love that.
That was a great shot.
And that was organized by my brother-in-law and my sister, and great time, absolutely great time. Can't wait to do it again, actually. We do enjoy playing darts here in Newfoundland, Canada, especially. That's kind of our Irish UK roots showing through, I guess, with that game. And highly suggest that you try it out if you haven't already. What else did we do? We had Christmas. Santa was good to the kids. We were good to the kids. We were good to each other. Lots and lots of fun was had there.
Yeah. Who could be coming down them steps right there?
Oh my god. I'm actually not gonna look because I'm gonna scream.
Welcome to Christmas morning. 2020 Christmas morning.
Oh my goodness. What are you second? I'm gonna open this one first. I'm opening
Christmas
this one first.
morning. Oh my gosh. Oh, Santa Claus did it again.
Yeah.
That was there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right into the action, they said.
This is crazy. Oh my goodness. What is this? It's pink. Look at this small.
Well, that's a lot of paint.
What is it? What is it? Kinder Prize Ball! No, this is the Tamagotchi.
Whoa!
What is it?
You did get your Tamagotchi. You did get a Tamagotchi.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Mario,
Ah.
say yo, yo. The template is a yo. Look at it. This is always what I wanted. It sounds like you're saying yogurt, but not
Yogurt.
No way! I wanted this! Yo. I really wanted this. And Nintendo Switch! And those are 2 games.
One game for you to open.
This is Animal Crossing. I know
This is for you to open.
this has to be Animal Crossing.
Alright, everything's open.
Merry
Now,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I open the Nintendo Switch.
My little girl, she's lost teeth number 7 and 8 over the holidays. So she pulled those out, and maybe I'll put some footage of that in. We'll see. I don't know. I might make this a real collage video, you know.
Let's see the actual teeth in there now. So we've already had one out tonight. Right there. And wiggle this other one.
I can't wiggle it too far. It hurts too much.
Alright. Let's see.
Is the tooth sound?
Give it a twist.
You got it.
Let's see. Open it up. Oh my gosh.
I fart. I fart.
Oh my gosh.
I farted.
There it is. That's number 8. Number 8th tooth lost.
What else have I got for you? Yeah, dart tournament, Christmas, Santa. New Year's. Can't forget New Year's. Got to throw some footage in of that. Anyways, our restrictions are pretty light, so take that footage with a grain of salt as compared to your restrictions. We're just very fortunate, okay? I think New Zealand just had a concert of like 10,000 people since their restrictions have been lightened due to their circumstance. So it's really a mixed bag, all right? So yeah, before I go, I'll probably take you guys up to see the chickens real quick, give you an update on them. They're doing just fine, and giving us an egg every so often. Their laying production has definitely decreased as much as could be since the onset of the cold weather, but we have had some mild weather and the egg production has come back up. All right, so I'll take you guys up, show you the chickens, and then we'll finish off this video. It's definitely some deep snow to get back to the coop. Almost up to the knees. Okay, midway up the shins. I left my gloves in the garage. Probably wasn't the best idea. Here's the girls. They're a bit dirty. I think they all need a little dust bath at some point. It's getting a bit dirty. That's it. That's all part of it. Especially the white ones. The brown girls, they're showing no worse for wear. I guess they've been playing a bit of golf in the pen here. Alright, so I'm gonna get their water cleaned up and make sure their food is topped up, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, one egg for today. That's not bad. That's not bad. We've had days when we got none. But yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind seeing the chickens a bit dirty. I just don't have a run built for them to, put a dust bath in, and the white ones, they just show the dirt so much more than the brown, right? And that coop is getting a little bit dirty now. Probably needs a new fresh layer of wood chips. And if we had a nice mild day, I'd probably do a full clean out of it. But as you've seen outside, that's going to have to wait. and that's not going to hurt anything for now. So anyways, I think that's about it. This egg is still relatively warm, so that's a fresh one from this morning. And yeah, finally another video. Go team. You know what it's like. It's easier to come up with an excuse not to make a video than it is to come up with a reason to do one sometimes, especially when you're just in the house playing games and watching TV and there's really not much going on outside because it's too cold and everything else is closed. So, and no projects to do. So hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you've stuck around to the end here now, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe, hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Let me know how you're all doing, how your Christmas was, how your New Year's was, and how you're all getting along with the current situation in the world. Hopefully you're all doing okay. I think the group of people that watch these types of videos are a pretty resilient bunch. All right, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm glad we got the chance to make this video and get it out to you guys. Hopefully have another one sometime in the near future when enough things happen exciting to capture and send it out to you guys. But until that happens, hope you're happy, hope you're healthy, take care of each other, and peace out.